Hey everyone, day 3 advent of code. I'm running 1 minute late, but I'm gonna try to get in quick. So I just put this on day 3. The goal of the program is to multiply some numbers. It does that. We want to find 1 to 3 digit numbers. Okay, so I'm thinking we do a regex there, but that's already more complicated than we need. We kind of need just to get just a regex. I need the use of this nice little regex builder. I'll do mul. How do you do greedy search? Greedy search regex Python. Okay, lazy. How do you do lazy? Greedy means lady. How do you do? What? Okay. Okay, I think we might need to use a stack. What we're gonna do, we can use stack. So we get here. Sorry, he's messaging me. Okay. Sorry, I was getting some messages. Because this one's matching. Right. So we can do like a... Okay, this is not valid. So we need to look for like mul. How do you do 1 to 3? Look at the... How do you do digit? Digit. Okay. Little regex there. Then we could do fetch out capture regex Python. Okay. We'll do this. We'll do print. Let's look at what we have in the regex library in Python. Python 3, day 3. Cool. Let's do this. Grab my regex here. Then we'll do this string. Perfect. Then finally, what we're going to do is what are we doing? Multiplying them? Oh, yeah, multiplying them. We're going to do matches. So we're using the power of regex for in matches. What we're going to do is we're going to do first, second. So I'm going to make this a little bit bigger. We're going to do, again, we're going to capture all the ones that are just dash D from 1 to 3. We're going to capture that on the element. Then let's print first, second, and we'll do result equals 0, result plus equals int first times int second, and then finally we'll print the result 161. Am I too slow? One gold star. Let's go. Let's go. What? Where did I place on that? Okay, I got 1,000. Sorry, let's get back to this calendar. Okay. You're welcome to check the warehouse though, says Damali. So all the structures. It seems like the goal of the program is just to multiply times. It does that because the program's memory has. There's also many invalid characters that should be ignored. Okay, that's the first half. Part 2. As you scan through the corrupted memory, you notice that some of the conditional statements are still intact. If you handle some of the uncorrupted in the program, you might be able to get an even more accurate result. Don't. So let's see. So does it apply to all of them? As you scan through the corrupt, you notice that some of the conditional statements are still intact. Do and don't. Enables future, disables. Okay. Don't. Split by do or don't. What I can do is we can split by don't or do. Split by regex Python. Let's do this. My keyboard is tweaking. Keyboard is tweaking. So we split by do or don't. And let's just print matches right here quick. See what that looks like. Well, how did that work? Wait, do... Okay, if we split by don't... Wait. What if we split only by don't? Python split by but keep for line in all lines, E plus D for E. No, that doesn't even look good. I want to like just find all, but like kind of, but like leave split a string. Okay, wait. What if I just split by don't? Like if I have multiple don'ts here. Okay, wait. How did I do this? So this gets canceled, and then this doesn't get done until we do again. So I just need to know what was the last one. Like I need to match each mul with like the don't or do. How would I do that? Let me think. Like, I'm thinking maybe like a stack or something where I go like, I capture all of them. That makes sense. Find index of a regex in Python. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna like get all the don'ts. Okay, wait. Let me just save this. I need to stop deleting my code. Save this. We'll do search. So that gives us the actual. Okay. Gives the actual code here. Do. Where's the do? Search all. Python regex. I want to return the indexes. What is this? Find iterator. Okay, that's kind of useful. Now, we'll do what we did before. Let me just like backtrack a bit. I'm gonna start like copying part 1 and part 2 because this is annoying. Right. Then let's just reverse this all the way till we had something working. Was that the answer before? Okay. So what I'm going to do is we're gonna find we're gonna search for all do's and don'ts, and then we're going to search for all of like the multiplications. Let's try that. Too slow on this. Okay. Don't do. You gotta multiply at 2. So what we're gonna do is now we're gonna like put all of these into a list. Okay. I'm gonna say all matches dot sort. Now we're given this. Who's messaging me? Okay, getting closer. Now all we need to do is like for all the ones to the right of don't, just pop them out. And then we just need to multiply. So let's just do let's do cleaned. And we'll do for element in all matches. What we're gonna do is we're gonna say we're going to start at index equals 0, while index while index is less than the length of all matches, while basically if, so what we're going to do is like if the element, if the, let's say element equals all matches at a specific index, what we're going to do is like if the element is not equal to don't clean else, pretend it is, right? We're gonna keep looping while index, we'll do index, while the index is less than length of all matches, yeah, we'll do this. And like we pretty much only care we'll literally just keep looping while the index less than the length of matches, and we'll say all matches at the specific index not equal to, we only want to see the next do. What we're going to do is index equals 1. Go with that. Don't. What? Let's say skipping skipping 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, wait, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Why is it skipping 5? Let's see. Breaking. What? Oh my god, I was doing so good and all of a sudden struggling to implement this thing. Messing up with the indexes. Messing up with the indexes. What's happening here? How do get in there? If let's go. Day 3 completed. Day 3 completed. Wow. That was better performance than yesterday. Had to mess around with regex. Let's see. Where did I fall? Okay. Not bad. Not bad. Top 7K, 35 minutes. Good question. Cool. That's the answer to those questions. Let me just text my friend and maybe. Cool. Let's see the leaderboards. That was a way better performance than yesterday. I'm pretty happy with that. I couldn't even get there. Where'd Albert get? So I got my 6 stars. Let's see. Cool. That's how you solve day 3 in Python. So let's say this is part 2. Oh, shoot. So part one, pretty much just use the regex to capture all of like the multiplications that are like decimals that are 1 to 3 digits and have this exact format. So I matched on all of those. And then once I had all of those elements that were like, that met that, I pretty much just, I had like a list of all of them. And then I just used find all to like pull out the numbers between them. And that's first and second here, the first and second terms. And I would multiply those together to get the result, right? Then for this one, what I kind of did is I found all the do's and don'ts. And then I found the index for them. And I also did the same for multiplications. So, yeah. And then I put them all into the same array. And then I sorted them. So now we know, like, now we have all of the kind of multiplications. And then we have, like, the associated do's and don'ts, like, in between them in, like, the proper index. And then from there, like, for example, this print. This looks something like this. Let's see. Yeah, you get something like this with a bunch of do's and don'ts. And what did I do? Yeah, I pretty much just like, if there's a don't, I pretty much deleted everything like up until like the next don't or the next do. And then I try to ignore the do's. That's kind of the solution there. Once I pretty much, that's what cleaned is. Cleaned is like all the multiplications that are actually valid and that don't have a do before them. So essentially that's why I'm like, when I get to a don't, like if this case is like if don't, right? If don't, then it pretty much loops until we see a do and ignores all the other elements, all the other multiplications, and then it'll add that one in, right? So once we have that in, yeah. So yeah, when we hit a do, we just go all the way until we ignore all the other do's, and then what else do we do? Or all the other multiplications till we see a do, and then we start like adding multiplications back until we see a don't again, and then we do the same thing. So that kind of builds us the cleaned. And now when we have a cleaned, we know all the multiplications there in the cleaned are valid. And then now that all the multiplications in the cleaned are valid, we could just do the same thing we did in part one of like pulling out the digits, multiplying them, and then we're good. So cool. Hope everyone was able to get it done too. Landed in about, let's see, personal times. That was my best personal time. Top 10K for both of them, under 5K for this one, but still need to do better. I didn't expect to pull out regex. I haven't done regex in literally years. So, alright, see y'all in the next video.